Good evening once more. So this is Authority Hacker Review. They've been around forever. 1998. I'm going to promote them, uh, but it's not just a case of getting the link. Just to show that how powerful they are. Roll today as an affiliate, which process of doing. Where is it? Yeah, you have to have traffic source, quite 1,000 visitors a month and all that sort of thing. But they're the masters of blogging. You can read about them around since the 90s. The money, the stats to back it up, and it's like blogging, podcasts. So they're experts in their field. It's not cheap to do it, which we'll find out. And then they have their blog, of course, and then the courses. So before we get into all that, we'll take a look at the free training. I thought there was a video. Let's see. Yeah, just start that with the pictures. Let's see, so it's the about section. Just thought there was, maybe there's not. And then there's the courses. Ready a member, you can log into that and learn more about the Authority site system. You can join it as well. It's 194 video lessons. Yes, it isn't cheap. Well, 6 monthly payments of 330. So what's that? If you're looking at in pounds, or even if you're in the States, like a lot are, let's just got this on my phone. So it's not, well, it's actually a lot more expensive before. It's like $55. I can't get mixed up. It's not that over. It's six monthly payments of 330, so it's not 50 at all. So it is a wee bit, but you're learning how to do it properly, to be honest. So you can join that, so it's not cheap, and they don't let MD promote it as well. So, and then it's got some sort of free training, so we'll take a look at that. So just listen to this for a wee while. I'll come back.
Hey there, welcome to this video. My name is Gail Breton and I'm one of the two guys behind Authority Hacker. I'm not going to bore you too long with the details, but we have been building affiliate and authority sites for the past 10 years. We have made it our full-time job. We have had multiple exits that we documented on our podcast and our blog, and we've helped thousands of people here at Authority Hacker do the same. But the reason you're here is you want me to give you practical tips to make your next website more successful. So let's not add some waffle to this video. Let's jump into it and stay until the end because I have something really special to share with you. Let's get started. There is no denying that the world of self-publishing has been getting more and more competitive, and it's more difficult nowadays to start a successful website than it was several years ago. So one of my recommendations to deal with that increased competitiveness is to start niche down within your main industry and then expand your topics later or rebrand later when you have acquired some authority. You see, Google likes to give more visibility to topic specialists even if they are lower authority, and you should be using this to your advantage. So if you have a site that is lower authority but a specialist in a topic, say for example drone photography and not just photography in general, you're much more likely to rank for competitive and very monetizable terms like best drone for photography than you would be if you were focusing.
Yeah, so there's a lot of sense there. The specific that no one really writes or does videos about. It's the same in these review ones, that there's not many that do it. So there's a bit of freebie, and it's like half an hour, so you could take notes and things like that. It is really expensive to be in this, but you find profitable hidden niches, get the best keywords from them, build sites that rank quickly, can make a lot of money. So they are paying a wee bit, but you have to pay to get something. So these guys know what they're doing, and they are in their programming as well. As the go-to for blogging, we've had done for you websites that have been featured on Ahrefs, HubSpot, Entrepreneur, and these are all big time publications. They have their own blog, training courses, so here's some more for beginners and things like that. So these are the go-to guys for blogging. So many things that we could go through. So it's just an overview of it. As great as they are, we have something very special in the description, which is much more than a course. It's a community, and you really have to check it out. And we'd love to see you there. Bye bye for now.